Hi. This is something new. Today's the day. I'm traveling. I will be driving from Jeddah to Taif to Wadi Dawaser to Riyadh, and then figuring out a way from Riyadh back to Jeddah. I will be picking up two of my best friends of this past decade. One lands in 20 minutes, the other lands around midnight. And there still is a lot to do. There is some preparation required for the car. I need to pick up the guy, go get breakfast. It's 8:40 a.m. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. So, who the hell are you? And what the hell happened?
حسن واللي صار ان ايد الدماث.
Yeah? How'd that turn out?
وايد was I bad at math.
So what time were you supposed to get here?
انا كانت المفروض الرحله الساعه 2 اوصل 4. الان الساعه كم؟
10.
الحمد لله يعني تاخرنا بس لسه وصلت قبل محمد.
يلا الحمد لله على السلامة.
الله يسلمك.
نورت جدة.
وجود.
Are you ready?
What?
For one hell of a weekend?
المفروض عل وعسى تكون اكثر من ويك.
ان شاء الله. يلا let's get out of here.
يلا.
Later that night.
So, Hassan,
هلا.
update us. What have we done since I picked you up?
رحنا البنك.
Then what?
رحنا صناعية ورجعنا. كان على اساس بنركب سم ستاف فور ذا كار بس we did them. يا واكلنا. الان رايحين نغير كفر السيارة. بعدها المفروض عندنا كم عرض نسويها قبل ما نروح المطار وناخذها ووقتها نحرك ان شاء الله. في خطة ثانية؟
Did we sleep at all?
لا أول شيء النوم للركوب.
Alright. Did we get anything done?
Yes.
What did we get done? We had lunch. We had lunch. We had Boga. Good lunch.
كان satisfying.
Yeah.
سوينا شيء ثاني؟
No.
Productive.
So nothing really done. But
Good day. شباب في رحلة.
شباب في رحلة.
والله too many motors for this trip.
Outfit and explore.
All the passengers.
Hi. Hello. Introduce yourself.
هلا أنا حسن.
This lingo. Where are we?
كان مضيع بليز عيال.
We are on top of Makkah. Temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. It's a little past 5 a.m. We just got here. And
So let's ride and ride and ride. Sing la 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 la. 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 La 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 la. I'm a passenger. passing So let's